In this session, we are going to learn about the grammar part. Okay. In that, we are going to learn about the topic that is making comparison. No doubt, it is a very interesting and easy topic. Making comparison. What is mean by making comparison? Means you have to talk about the two things and find the similarities, find the differences in between both of them is called making comparison. Okay. See, for example, I have two papers. See, this is white paper, this is black paper. Okay. What is mean by comparison? When I say like this paper is white color paper and this is black color paper. Okay. This is white, this is black. Okay. See, now the next I have two pencils. This pencil is long and this is short pencil. When we think about both of the pencils, that is called comparison. Okay. Now see the another example. I have two books. This book is very big and this is very small. Okay. Means this is big, small. Okay. Like that we are going to do comparison in some things or some pictures which are on our textbook pages. So now open your textbook on page number 28. Topic number 10, making comparisons. Read the sentences given below. See, first, an elephant is bigger than a pony. See, this is pony and elephant. Elephant is no doubt bigger than the pony. Okay. See, next, the rope is longer than the ribbon. This is ribbon and this is rope. Obviously, the rope is longer than this ribbon. Okay. Third, the book is thicker than comic. This is comic books and another book. This book is thick than comic book. Okay. Fourth, Veer is older than Sagar. Sagar and Veer. Veer is older than Sagar. Rima is taller than Hina. Rima is taller than Hina. A peacock is more beautiful than a pigeon. Peacock, pigeon. Who looks more beautiful? Peacock. Okay. See, the sentences on previous page compare two things or persons. See the definition. You have to write this definition in your grammar notebook. To show comparison between two things, places, persons or animals, we use ER form of the describing words. Sometimes we use more. We also use than. Which words we use? ER or more and than. Understood? Mind it well. Now question A. Tick the correct words that describe Mr. and Mrs. and Mr. Cook. Okay. First, Mr. Cook is thin or fat. Mr. Cook thin. So correct here. Mrs. Cook is fat or thin. She is fat. So tick here. Mr. Cook is tall or short. Tall. So tick here. Mrs. Cook is short or tall. Short. So tick here. Mr. Cook wear a blue or black shirt. Blue shirt. So tick here. Mrs. Cook wears a white or colorful dress. Colorful dress. So tick here. Read these sentences and tick the correct words in the brackets. First, the teacher is older, younger than students. Obviously, older. Okay. Rohan is taller or shorter than Naman. Taller. So, write tick here. A sack of rice is heavier or lighter than a packet of sugar. Sugar and heavier. Rice. So, tick here. A sack of rice is heavier than packet of sugar. Tom is smaller or bigger than Jerry. Who is Tom and who is Jerry? You have to identify and you have to solve it. Okay, turn the page. Like that you have to solve all these examples. Okay, now question C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the basket. A giraffe is dash than a camel. Tall. So we have to write taller. Okay. A mountain is dash than a hill. High. A mountain is high than a hill. A butterfly is dash a sparrow. Smaller. Okay. An elephant has big ears than those of deer. Bigger. Students, you have to complete these pages on textbook and send me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.